everyone. So now that we have our personalized account in Explorer, we can actually start using it. Even though this looks like the basic search, I always urge students to click on advanced search because you get a heck of a lot more options here and it makes your life very, very easy. I'm going to type in any kind of topic here. And by now, hopefully you've had your lesson on Boolean operators and truncation. And it helps if I can spell. Hit search. Let's say that I'm interested in saving some of these articles for my assignment because they seem like they're going to be very, very helpful when I get ready to either write a paper or give a speech or answer a question on a test or whatever the case may be, whatever prep I'm doing. You can go over to the little blue icon that looks like a folder that has a plus sign, and you can click and select which folder in your account you'd like to save it. So I think I'm going to save mine in West Virginia Rocks, where I've saved a couple other things. Maybe I want to save this one. I can do that by clicking on the folder, clicking on West Virginia Rocks folder. Let's click on this one, West Virginia Rocks folder. So I've saved at least 3, and notice that the icon changes to yellow. When I go look at my folders, also in the top right-hand navigational bar here, I can go to West Virginia Rocks and click on that and see that, I've saved 5 items over a period of time. Let's take a look at those articles. Now I can do whatever I'd like to with these articles, depending on what my assignment calls for. I can read them just by clicking on the item, or if I'm looking at my folder, I can say, maybe I'm working on an assignment with a classmate. I can click a couple of these items, and then I can select email. And I can actually email these items to a classmate if I desire. I can give my email a subject so we can remember what it is that we're doing. And I can even select a citation format, such as APA, for example, if that's a requirement for our class. And then I can also remove the items, or by unclicking this, choose to keep them in my folder for a later date. Pretty clever. When I go back to my folders, maybe I've changed my mind about these 2 items and instead I'm going to remove them. Delete is at the top of the page. I can always click that and decide to remove specific items from my folder, and notice they are gone now. Maybe I don't like the name of the folder that I selected. I can go back to the area where I can edit and decide how I'm going to handle this. So maybe this is the first West Virginia Rocks folder I'm going to be using, but I'm going to create a few more. By clicking New, I can add a new one. And now I have 2 folders that I can work with in my collection over here in my custom folders. Maybe I've changed my mind and decide when I click Edit that, I don't need that second West Virginia Rocks folder. I can click Delete and say OK, and it goes away.